Welcome to Mijas, a hidden gem on Spain's Costa del Sol. This charming whitewashed village is filled with history, breathtaking views. Join us as we explore its beauty. Let's start at the heart of Mijas Pueblo. Here lies the lively Plaza Virgen de la Peña, the village's main square. Surrounded by charming cafes and local shops, it's the perfect place to soak in the Andalusian atmosphere. One of the most breathtaking aspects of Mijas is its stunning panoramic views. Perched high in the mountains, the village offers sweeping vistas of the Costa del Sol, stretching all the way to the Mediterranean Sea. From the scenic viewpoints, known as miradors, you can admire the coastline, rolling hills, and even catch a glimpse of Morocco on a clear day. Wandering through the streets of Mijas Pueblo feels like stepping back in time. The village is a maze of narrow, cobbled alleys, charming staircases, and picturesque walking streets, all lined with whitewashed houses adorned with colorful flower pots. These winding paths reflect Mijas' rich history, dating back to ancient times when the village was a Moorish settlement. Over the centuries, Mijas has preserved its Andalusian charm, blending Moorish and Spanish influences in its architecture and traditions. You might wonder why it's called Mijas Pueblo and not just Mijas. That's because Mijas is actually a larger municipality, which includes not only this historic village but also the coastal areas of Mijas Costa and the more modern urban zones. Pueblo means village in Spanish, distinguishing this charming mountaintop town from the busier coastal areas. Walking through these streets, you'll discover hidden plazas, artisan shops, and even remnants of the old city walls. Mijas Pueblo is home to one of Spain's most unique bullrings, the Plaza de Toros de Mijas. Built in 1900, this bullring stands out for its unusual oval shape, a rare design compared to the traditional circular arenas. It was constructed at the request of local residents who wanted their own space for bullfighting and other cultural events. Over the years, the arena has witnessed many important moments in Mijas history, from the thrills of traditional bullfighting to community gatherings. Perched on a hilltop, the arena offers breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and coastline, making it an ideal spot for photos. Today, while bullfighting is less common, the ring still plays an important role in Mijas' cultural heritage. It's now a museum where visitors can learn more about the history of bullfighting and its significance in Spanish culture. The last time the Plaza de Toros de Mijas was used for a bullfight was in 1970. After that, bullfighting at the arena became less common, as attitudes toward the practice began to change across Spain. The decline in bullfighting at Mijas was part of a broader shift in the region, with many areas moving away from the tradition due to growing concerns over animal rights. Despite this, the bullring remains an important cultural landmark, offering a glimpse into Spain's historical passion for bullfighting. Mijas is also home to two impressive art museums celebrating the work of world-renowned artists. The Museo Picasso Mijas is a must-see, featuring a collection of works by the legendary Pablo Picasso. The museum showcases his evolution from early pieces to later works that explore a more abstract and revolutionary style. You'll find everything from his blue period to his more cubist influences, offering a deep dive into the mind of one of the 20th century's most iconic artists. The Museo de Arte Contemporáneo in Mijas offers a fascinating journey through the world of modern art, with a particular focus on Salvador Dali. This museum features a stunning collection of his surrealist masterpieces, capturing the bizarre and dreamlike quality that made Dali one of the most influential artists of the 20th century. Among the highlights are some of his most iconic works, such as his melting clocks and thought-provoking depictions of distorted realities. Dali's unique ability to challenge the boundaries of perception is showcased in the museum's exhibits. For art lovers, the Museo de Arte Contemporáneo is a must-visit in Mijas, offering a deep dive into the world of surrealism and the genius of Dali. It's an unmissable stop for anyone looking to appreciate the vibrant, imaginative world of modern art and gain a deeper understanding of one of the most fascinating artists of all time. The history of this quaint Andalusian village dates back thousands of years. Originally founded by the Phoenicians, Mijas has been inhabited by several cultures, including the Romans and the Moors. The Romans named the area Mixa, which means the place of the mines, referring to the mining activities that were once prevalent in the region. The Moors, who ruled Spain for several centuries, left a lasting impact on the architecture and culture of Mijas, contributing to the village's distinct style that visitors still see today. The village's whitewashed buildings and winding streets reflect its Moorish heritage. Mijas Pueblo is a place where history and modern life intertwine, with remnants of its past still visible in the streets and buildings. Over the centuries, Mijas grew from a small settlement to the vibrant village it is now, a place that blends traditional Andalusian charm with a rich cultural history. For those wanting to explore Mijas Pueblo, the best way to get there is by car, which offers a scenic route up through the hills, revealing breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and the coast below. The drive itself is an experience, with winding roads that take you through lush landscapes, making the journey just as memorable as the destination. If you don't have a car, there are regular bus services that run from nearby towns like Fuengirola, which is just a short drive away. Once you've arrived, you'll quickly realize that Mijas is a village made for walking. The narrow, cobbled streets and alleyways are a delight to explore. So, whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or simply looking for a charming and picturesque village to explore, Mijas Pueblo offers something for everyone. Its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes make it a must-visit destination in Andalusia. Just sit back, relax and enjoy the views from Mijas.
have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Just wait. Let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby. Don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style. Imagination is running wild. Eternity is in your smile. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Just wait. Let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay?
Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about the content, visit our website and read our article on the subject to get more information. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss when we publish something new. Here are suggestions for a video and playlist that we think would be interesting for you. Take care. See you in another video.